Hi, it's Paula from On a String, and I'm going to demonstrate our bead sorter to you today. The bead sorter, made here in Melbourne out of PLA plastic, which is biodegradable, comes in a range of different colours and is the perfect accessory for sorting your beads when you've got a bit of a mess left after a beading project. So you can see on my board here, I've got a mix of beads. I've got some size 6s, 8s, 11s and 15s, and what I'm going to do is use our bead sorter, which is a 5-piece set, to actually sort those beads back in their piles. Our bead sorter comes with a lid which holds your beads securely when you're shaking it to sort them, and different levels in our dishes. So we have a size 8 and above dish, a size 11 beads and size 15 beads, and then a little pouring spout in our bottom dish to get those beads back into your tubes. Okay, let's get cracking with sorting those beads. First thing I'm going to do is pick them all up off my mat, and you can see here they're a mess. They're all the beads that are left over from my project, and I'm just scooping them into the bead sorter using one of our little triangles to get them all back into place. What I'm going to do then is pop the lid on and then just shake, 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 and sort those beads through those holes that are all within the bead sorter. And then when I actually look at my little selection here, there's the size 6 beads in the top dish. The size 8 beads are there in the next dish. The size 11, some of the 15s are still in there, so I'll just give it a bit more of a further shake to sort them through. They're all the size 11 beads. And what I have here is the size 15 beads. And because I've got that little pouring spout on the bottom of that dish, I can just use that to pour those beads straight back into the tube like that. That is the bead sorter from On a String. You can find that on our web shop below. Click on the link, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see further content from On a String related to my love of beading and all the different tools, tutorials, designs, etc. I love to do. Thanks for that. Bye.